In the USA, pilots are not allowed to watch videos of Su-35 demonstration flights at MAX 2017 International Air Show. Allegedly, the videos of the Russian Su-35 aircraft in action may demoralize U.S. pilots. Russia has already received orders for Su-35 fighter jets from China, India, Indonesia, and other countries. The Russian Defense Ministry plans to buy about 90 of such planes. Russia currently takes the lead in the segment of heavy multi-purpose fighters, and the launch of the Su-35 will only strengthen her position. The flight and combat performance of the Su-35 makes this aircraft superior to all existing fourth-generation fighters. What is more, the Su-35 is on par with fifth-generation aircraft. This is a state-of-the-art multi-purpose fighter that ensures superiority in the air and effectively strikes ground and above-water targets. In 2008, a simulated air combat involving Su-35 and U.S. fighters F-22, F-A-18 Super Hornet and F-35 was conducted at U.S. Air Force in Hickam, Hawaii Islands. The result was disappointing. In 20 air battles against the Su-35, the Americans scored just one victory. The unsurpassed maneuverability, electronic and weapon systems of the Su-35 make this fighter the best among other comparable Western analogs, such as the F-15 Eagle.